In an earlier video, you learned how to sync different panels together with link sets. When resources share a reference system like Bibles, commentaries, or lexicons, Logos also gives you the ability to sync multiple resources together in the same panel with a single click by activating the multiple resources display. It is often helpful to have an English text and an original language text open side by side. Adding a commentary to this stack is a great way to quickly gain understanding as you go. Expand the drop-down menu and select your resources by entering a portion of the title. Click the SBL Greek New Testament to add it to your stack. Next, enter TNTC to add the Tyndale commentary. Drag and drop these resources to the arrangement you want to see, and Logos arranges your resources from left to right or from top to bottom. If you want to use this arrangement but don't want to save it, simply click outside the menu. Click Save to add this to a stack which can be retained for later use. Now, click the button to turn on the multiple resources display. Logos defaults to vertical columns, but you can change the layout to horizontal rows from the drop-down menu. As you scroll down the left-hand column, the other columns stay in sync. However, the additional columns can be scrolled independently without affecting the location of the other columns. This is especially helpful for verse 21, where the commentary entry is longer than the screen displays. The multiple resource display is also useful for comparing Bible versions. I have already created a display for my top Bibles, so now I can quickly switch to this display from the drop-down menu. Activate the corresponding words and selections visual filters. Now, you can quickly compare differences in the versions with a single click. As you expand your Logos library with other ancient resources such as the Dead Sea Scrolls or Josephus, the multiple resource display enables you to view the original version and an English translation side by side. You can also create a multiple resource display with dictionaries or lexicons. When you create this display, you may notice from time to time that one of the resources disappears. This is because the resource doesn't have an entry for that word. When the primary resource displays a word shared by the secondary resource, the column returns. With the multiple resources display, you can sync resources together in a single panel that can be toggled off and on with the click of a button. In the next video, you'll learn how to make discoveries by analyzing statistical data using the concordance tool.